Today I'm making wellness energy blend. I've got honey over here, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and ground flax seeds, linseeds. First, I want to pre-ground pumpkin seeds. I've got over here roughly 1/3 of cup pumpkin seeds, but it depends of what you like. Would you like more pumpkin seeds? Good. Would you like more sunflower seeds? Up to you. Would you like more nuts if you don't have allergy? And 1/4 of cup sunflower seeds and some walnuts. I will pre-ground them. I think it's enough. I would like a little bit on the rough side. Good enough. We'll do in a jar. First, I think I will put a little bit of honey, and that way it will be more easier to mix everything. A beautiful fresh honey. Flax seeds. Flax seeds I already ground quite fine. We'll add cardamom, ground cardamom. Also can add cinnamon, half of teaspoon, maybe more, or maybe more, because we like. Some walnuts, big pieces. I'm breaking them. I will alternate a little bit of nut mixture, little bit of honey, little bit of nut mixture, and mix well. take 1 teaspoon every morning after breakfast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video.